In this video, I will show you how to turn on the passive mode in Dank Memer. This makes it so that people cannot rob you of your precious coins. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so that you can stay safe on the Discord server and keep your belongings protected. So in order to turn on the passive mode in Dank Memer, type in this command. PLS settings passive true. Then press enter. And that will enable the passive mode in Dank Memer. So, passive mode makes it so that people cannot rob you. However, you cannot send or receive items or currency with other users, and obviously, you can't rob them either. Another thing is that once you enable and disable passive mode, you must wait 24 hours before changing it again. If you are offline for 5 days, your passive mode will expire. So if you don't want to be stolen or bank robbed, this is a quick and easy trick that you can use. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more easy tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.